All right, guys. So recently, Wodify has updated their athlete app. So I know we have an old video of kind of navigating, but I know some people, they like the old app. I'm the same way. I still have it, and I don't know how long it's going to last. You can obviously use that if you have the old app, but like new members, they don't have that option. They have to go with the new app. They can't download the old one. And I'm sure that at some point in time they're going to get rid of the old one. So I wanted to make a video of just how to navigate that with the new app and what it looks like. So I know I have a lot of apps here, but basically the old one is over here, right? The black, and then the new one, it's just the Wodify for the athlete. It's right there. So once you have logged in, you get your email. In the email, it gives you a username, password, and then a link, and then you can log in. And then in that email is the app, right? To download it to your phone, whatever type of phone you have, just click that. It'll take you to your app store. You download the app, and I think what it does is it will make you put in your username, which is usually your email, and then either a generic password, or it'll reset you to enter your own password. That is kind of a reminder to new people and to old people, like, remember your password, write it down somewhere. If you're purchasing items, which I'll make another video just so that people know how to do that. But if you're purchasing items, you'll need your password. Like our coaches need our password for different things. So we will need your password for Wodify from time to time. But once you log it in once, you won't need it again for this particular app, say, when you're reserving a spot or different things like that. So you can see there, what comes up is it says any announcements for that day. You really can't see it very well. It's kind of light, but at the top there it says CrossFit Gahanna. That is like the home button at the bottom, and that's, you might not be able to see that, but home button here in the bottom. The next one right next to it is the class schedule. Again, you can't really see that super well. There we go, is the class schedule. So this is your home button, right? And it'll tell you signing into class and different stuff like that. Ooh, I don't want to hit that. There we go. That's what the home button looks like. It says the name of the gym, any announcements for that day. And then when I hit this, it'll go to the classes, and then that's where I can sign in if I click any of those classes. If I hit this, it's gonna show the workout for today, okay? You can change that. You can look ahead if you want to. You can change the different programs, all levels, or beginner program. And then you can also look at your leaderboard there. So you can hit that and look and see who's done the workout for today and where you stack up on the leaderboard, okay? So a couple of things from there is, again, just kind of zooming in. If I hit this little person down there, that is your profile. You can obviously add different results. So we're in the middle of that back squat program. So if you're doing back squats, you could just type in back squat and then add that in on the app. Or again, most people do that here at the kiosk. Totally cool. You can see that where it says search. You can type in back squats, all of that. You can look at your attendance, different things like that. So that is right there with that little person down there, right there. But up here on the top is the settings. So this is really important because it'll go to your profile. It'll show you your membership, waivers. Okay, I'm a coach, so it has my payroll. Coaches, you can look at your payroll. You can do app feedback. That's an anonymous app feedback button. Privacy settings, push notifications, SMS and email. This is super important, right? So make sure that both of these are checked like that, so that if we need to send something, hey, a class got canceled, or hey, whatever, right? You'll get a text message, you'll get the emails. You can also, in the profile, change your profile pic, change your email, change all of your stats and different stuff like that in the profile. One of the most important things that we all kind of have to deal with, right, is all the way down here. You can change your password, your PIN. The PIN is for supplements if you have one. The first time that you buy supplements on the iPad, it'll ask you to do a PIN so you don't have to type in your whole password. So you can just, pull whatever you want to get, punch it in, and hit your PIN, and it'll pay for it automatically. So there's that. But there's also the payment method. So right there, you can see you can remove payments, you can add payments here, right? So for new people, once you download the app, you can put your payments in here right away. It's a little bit easier. If for whatever reason that's complicated, you bring your credit card in, we can put it on file for you. But let's say what happens pretty consistently is cards expire, different things like that. You can use this app to put your new card in, and it's something you can do right then and there. You don't need a coach or anything like that. So those are in our settings, right? And that's kind of the new setup for the new app, and it's white and purple as opposed to black and white like it used to be. But yeah, that's pretty much the new app. I get it. Once you use it a little bit, I know some of the old people like the old app, and they're still going to use it for as long as they can. But it's not that much different. So hopefully this video helps you. If you're a new member, right, obviously ask questions. You can ask questions to us as coaches, but you can also ask members, because most of us are still using this. And after a few tries, we get pretty good at navigating it. So that's all I have for this video. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you enjoy the gym. I hope that everybody is happy. As always, please give me any feedback. We're trying to make this the best gym, the best hour of your day, all of those things. So, and making you guys, trying to get you a little better every single day. So I'll see you guys on the leaderboard, and we'll see ya.